how to buy Bobby Comet token. So this token came under the symbol of Bobby. Now before we start, this is not managed by me. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply discuss below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created, as you can see, 2 hours ago and increased by 8,000% in less than 4 hours. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now first of all, we're going to our wallet. You can see here. Now as you can see, select the base as a network from here, for example, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Bobby. Now if you find it, what you need to do, just click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So in a while you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive the token, as you can see here. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Bobby token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.